Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Wooden Lamps is probably one of the most versatile and aesthetically pleasing lighting solutions you can bring into your home, offering a unique blend of natural warmth and modern design that can transform any space into a cozy sanctuary, making them a popular choice for those seeking to add a touch of organic elegance and sophisticated ambience to their living areas. Number 5. Yarra-Decor Bedside Table Lamp with USB. Easily adjust the brightness to 3 different levels with a simple touch. Perfect for creating the right ambience, from a soft night light to bright task lighting. Keep your devices powered up with 2 integrated USB charging ports. Charge your phone, tablet, or other electronics conveniently while the lamp is on or off. This lamp's minimalist design complements any room decor. It's ideal for your bedroom, living room, or home office, adding a touch of style. Turn it on or off with just a tap on the base. No more searching for switches in the dark, making it incredibly easy to use. Whether you're working, reading, or relaxing, it provides warm and comfortable lighting. Enhance your space and your mood with its gentle glow. This lamp combines modern features like USB charging and touch control with a stylish design. It's a practical and elegant addition to any home. What we like? This bedside lamp offers convenient touch controls for adjustable brightness, perfect for setting the mood or providing a gentle nightlight. It also features dual USB ports, making it ideal for charging your devices right from your nightstand. If you're looking for a lamp that combines functionality with a cozy aesthetic for your bedroom or dorm, this is a great choice. What people say. The lighting is perfect, and love the 3 different brightness settings. Extremely easy to put together, barely a few minutes, and ready to go. Like the fact that it had USB ports on it. It even came with a light bulb. I like that you can dim it, it has a modern look to it and all you have to do is touch the base to turn on. It's a great small lamp for my desk, and 2 chargers that charge up fast at the base for my phone. It dims in 3 different modes. You can touch the bottom or on the pole itself. Bright enough on the higher mode. Great color options for this lamp. It's a very sturdy, well-made lamp. Number 4. NEEWER 660 LED Video Light and Stand Kit. Experience versatile lighting with our bicolor LED video light. Adjust the color temperature from warm to cool and fine-tune the brightness to perfectly match your scene. Capture colors as they truly are. With a high CRI of 96+, this light ensures authentic and vibrant color reproduction for all your creative projects. Built to last with a premium metal design. It effectively dissipates heat without noisy fans, and the included barn door helps you shape the light precisely. Power your creativity anywhere. Use the included AC adapter for studio work or opt for battery power for on-the-go shooting. The clear LCD screen keeps you informed of all settings. Position your light exactly where you need it. The sturdy aluminum alloy stand extends up to 75 inches and locks securely for maximum stability. This kit provides everything you need to elevate your photography and videography. It includes 2 LED lights, stands, power adapters, and convenient carrying bags. What we like? This video light kit provides professional-grade, flicker-free lighting with adjustable color temperature and brightness, ensuring accurate color reproduction. Its robust metal design and included stands offer stability and versatility for various shooting angles. If you are a content creator, photographer, or videographer who needs consistent, high-quality lighting for studio work or on-location shoots, this kit is an excellent investment. What people say. The lights are bright, adjustable, and perfect for both photos and videos. I love that I can control the brightness and color temperature depending on the vibe I want. The stands are sturdy and easy to set up, and the carrying bags make it super convenient to travel with. The build quality totally exceeded what I was expecting. The lights themselves and barn doors feel sturdy and solid. The controls area is well laid out and intuitive, the knobs feel solid and adjust smoothly. I was able to quickly adjust the color temperature to match the desired Kelvin temp I wanted. The NEEWER 2-pack bicolor 660 LED video lights are excellent. They provide bright, even lighting with adjustable color temperature, making them perfect for video recording, photography, or streaming. The build feels sturdy and professional, and the lights are easy to set up and position. Number 3. 360 Lighting Marcel 24 Modern Industrial USB Table Lamps, set of 2. Discover the Marcel lamp set by 360 Lighting, a perfect blend of modern industrial style and everyday convenience. These lamps are designed to enhance any room in your home. Each lamp features built-in USB ports, including Type A and Type C, allowing you to easily charge your devices right from your bedside or desk. Stay connected and powered up effortlessly. With their sleek black metal finish and natural linen shades, these lamps create a warm and inviting atmosphere. They are ideal for late-night reading or simply adding a touch of sophistication to your bedroom. Beyond the bedroom, these lamps are perfect for living rooms, entryways, or any side table. Their versatile design and lighting options complement any decor, adding both style and function. Enjoy the convenience of pre-assembled shades and an 8-foot cord for flexible placement. Each lamp also includes an LED Edison filament bulb for the base, providing a soft nightlight. This set includes 2 lamps, each standing 24.14 inches tall, offering a cohesive and stylish lighting solution for your home. Elevate your space with this practical and elegant addition. What we like. This set of 2 lamps brings a stylish industrial modern aesthetic to your living space, perfect for enhancing your home decor. Each lamp includes dual USB ports, Type A and Type C, in the base for convenient device charging. If you want to add matching accent lighting to your living room, bedroom, or entryway while keeping your devices powered up, this pair is a fantastic option. What people say. I love the USB outlet at the base, so I went for it. They are so nice and look great with our decor. There is a USB port at base to charge phones or tablets. Packaged well, assembly can be done by child with adult supervision. The Edison bulbs in the base are very bright. The shaded light bulb area is a lot dimmer, no light bulbs come for the shade. The Edison bulbs emit a yellow warm glow. Number 2. Avantree TR902 Headphone Stand. Introducing the Avantree TR902, a stylish and stable headphone hanger. Crafted from aluminum alloy and wood, it's designed to keep your desk clutter-free. This stand is built to support even the heaviest headphones. Its taller design and larger cable holder ensure excellent balance and stability. The large wooden base not only provides stability but also features a holder that can safely prop up your phone without causing scratches. Perfect for any setting, whether it's your office desk or your gaming station at home. Keep your favorite headphones in pristine condition. This hanger is designed to be convenient and compatible with most headsets. It accommodates headbands up to 5 cm wide and stands 30.5 cm tall. What we like. This headphone stand offers a sleek and stable solution for organizing your desk, crafted from durable wood and aluminum. Its design includes a convenient cable holder and a sturdy base to keep your headphones secure and your workspace tidy. If you're a gamer, musician, or office worker who wants to protect your headphones and declutter your desk with a stylish accessory, this stand is ideal. What people say. The design is sleek and modern, making it a great addition to my gaming setup. It not only holds my headphones securely but also adds a touch of sophistication to my desk. The stand is thoughtfully designed with a wide and sturdy base that ensures stability, even with the heavier DT1990 Pro. What sets this apart is the built-in storage for coiled wires, which keeps everything tidy and organized. The wood is a good quality and looks great. It was extremely easy to assemble. The stand comes in 2 separate pieces, the wooden base and the aluminum stand. Assembly was a simple slide of the aluminum stand into the base, took all but 5 seconds. Number 1. FENLO Fancy Pro RGB Floor Lamp with Shelves. Elevate your space with this modern floor lamp that seamlessly blends smart lighting with ample display space. It's designed to be a stylish centerpiece in any contemporary room. Featuring 4 spacious tiers, it's perfect for showcasing your favorite books, plants, or collectibles. This versatile piece functions beautifully as both a lamp and a storage solution. Effortlessly adjust the lighting to suit your mood and activity. Choose from warm white to cool daylight and fine-tune the brightness for the perfect atmosphere, whether you're working or relaxing. Each tier is constructed from robust engineered wood, designed to hold your heavier items with ease. It's the ideal storage solution for minimalist homes or smaller apartments needing organization. Set it up in minutes with minimal tools required. The integrated LED lighting is energy efficient, long-lasting, and stays cool to the touch, offering a practical and sustainable lighting choice. Manage your lighting and ambience with the included remote or the user-friendly app. Enjoy complete control over your environment without leaving your seat. What we like. This floor lamp combines modern shelving with customizable RGB lighting, allowing you to create the perfect ambience for any room. It features multiple shelves for displaying decor and offers app and remote control for easy adjustment of color and brightness. If you're looking for a multifunctional piece that adds both stylish storage and dynamic lighting to your living room or apartment, this lamp is a perfect fit. What people say. I really like the subtle lighting that it provides. The stand is stable. It's a beautiful and study for my collectibles. The lighting attached make it that much better. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.